Trade. What is trade? You must have gone to a market with your parents many times. When we buy an article, we give money in exchange for the article, and the shopkeeper sells it to us. Buying and selling of objects for a price is called trade. In cities, there are markets specializing in different articles, such as a cloth market, a grocery market, or a vegetable market. Nowadays, in some of the big cities, we see many shops located in one building. They keep a variety of goods. Such a building is called a commercial complex or mall. The weekly market. Towns in rural areas also have permanent shops. But in some villages, the market is held once a week. It is called a weekly market. Sellers and buyers from the surrounding areas come to this market for sale and purchase of goods. Greater Mumbai. Greater Mumbai is famous for international trade. Here, a variety of goods are exported and imported on a large scale. Among them are machines, ready-made garments, medicines, spices, tea, mangoes, cashew nuts, flowers, fruits, etc. Markets such as the Dadar Bazaar or market for grains and pulses, Mahatma Phule Market, and the flowers and vegetables markets at Dadar and Byculla are famous. The Javheri Market in Brihanmumbai is famous for its gold and diamond trade. Besides all the trades and industries, many other commercial occupations such as sharebroking, banking, travel and tour agencies, advertising agencies, fashion designing, training institutes are also found here.